Now it's like you have less than yours.
Why?
It's like, hi. She's gonna be trying the soup challenge. I'm trying. My poor baby. It's like, meh. What?
That's so cute. She's adorable with your one dimple. And then one side is smile like mine. But yours is on the other side. And then it walks my mom. I will pass the camera.
Whoops.
Yes, do not close that. Don't be a good girl.
She seems happy with it. Hi.
Oh gosh, I have to do an intro. I hate doing these cheesy things. Look at that, the cars. See the cars?
You can still see these. You're good. Okay. Are you do your cheesy images? It's like, oh, this is Lulu Bella's channel. We're about to kill ourselves with the soup. Hot chicken flavor, not even real chicken.
Hot chicken.
Hot chicken. Why is the C capitalized?
Ain't no chicken in this.
Hot chicken flavor ramen.
Ramen.
Stir fried noodles, but we don't fry it, we boiled it. Why is it? Anyways.
Whatever.
Anyways, alright.
I guess that would have been more effective if we stir fried it.
It's okay. It's okay. See, now it's like you have less than yours.
Why?
It's okay. That's why we're gonna pour more in there.
Let's pick up the.
It's like bloopers. Clearly.
Oh my god, why?
You should so add that to like. Let's like add that to like the end. So this is what happened when we're trying to do it. If I had cuts in my hand, I'd probably cry.
Oh my goodness, why?
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
Let's start again.
Well, we did the intro. She introduced herself.
Please.
Okay. It's okay. Barely.
I was trying to show the camera the damn noodles and I spilled it. Because that's just me. It couldn't be any other way, right? Like looking over here. Looking around. Hi. He seems quite intent over there.
Yeah. But she can still see. This is what the soup looks like. Not.
And that's how you don't.
I mean, like, there's limits. Like, look, there it is.
I know.
See, I don't want to down off the roll. Like,
it's okay.
I'm just making sure.
I can't even see the message. So, yeah.
Take two. Okay, anyways.
She's looking. Kevin's like these two crazy people.
Okay. I want to get this over my system so we can, you know.
Okay, we're doing this hot noodle challenge. And yeah, as we already said that before I spilled everything. So, you ready?
We're ready. Okay, we do this. Hold on, I need to hold on.
I feel like I should have remove my hair.
Remove your hair?
Okay.
Yeah, wait, hold on. It's still connected. I'm scared.
You can bite it, you know.
I know, but I'm all more mouth movement. Okay, anyways.
Mommy eating that thing now. Don't have enough for you.
Well, I mean, it's not that bad.
No. Just wait till you eat more.
So clearly I have a higher like stress level.
No, because I.
This girl has hiccups. Okay.
I ate it too much. If this doesn't go bro.
You got hiccups, Lulu?
Is it that spicy you have hiccups?
I ate it too fast, that's why.
It's okay.
Don't cry, don't cry.
Still has hiccups.
Don't cry, don't cry, baby. You want to see your teeth?
My hiccups.
No.
My hiccups startled you?
Okay, don't cry, don't cry. Let's look at the cars. Yeah, look at the cars. See the cars? No.
Told you she's a baby whisperer. Okay, yeah. Wait.
See, there's the bus.
He's like,
Okay. Okay.
What's your shoes?
oh yeah. Let me not use this tag. This tag had your soup on it.
Yeah.
I'm sorry, Kat.
Butterfly.
So yeah, let's continue. You my hiccups. What did you take me?
No.
Hiccups. What was that?
Nothing.
You lie so much. I can see the play button.
Okay, I won't record you in picture, but I will record you in sound.
Whatever. Are you sending this grief?
Yes, obviously.
So you need water?
No, because then I'll be a
Gonna drink milk after.
Honestly. I mean, for me, it's not that bad. I think I've had something worse than this.
Oh, it's because I put too much stuff on the water.
So next time it's like this much water.
Next time we boil the noodles and then put the set spice on after we drain the water. But it gets, you have to eat more at a time.
Okay.
The more you eat, the hotter it gets. Whoops.
Oh.
There.
That's what got around the hole.
That would be very bad. Whoops.
She has a throwing arm, I'm telling you.
Oh, you're gonna play baseball? You gonna play baseball?
Like noodles have been soaking in here for a while, or like
A tag?
Yeah. It's getting there, right?
yeah, it's slowly slowly coming.
Oh shit, I got some on my thing. These boobs though.
Anyway, see? Upsy-daisy. You tired?
Well, she hasn't slept.
You tired, huh?
If you put her on her tummy, she might sleep.
You want mommy now, huh? But you have a sex. You have a sex. You have a sex.
Almost done.
I mean, I'm getting there. Okay, I feel like because remember, you had less in your bowl than I did.
Yes, this is true. Makeup stops. For now. I don't know what will happen after I drink the liquid. My lips are starting to burn.
No.
Those are the
Of course it is. Okay.
we burning yet?
I mean, like, it's burning, but you want to know what's hot though? When I made those cucumbers.
I couldn't even see any hot sauce in there. How much did you put?
There was the pepper. I cut off the Scotch bonnet. I put
Oh
it.
yeah, right. Because they're crazy. You get in your Scotch bonnet. Oh my gosh, almost done.
It's okay.
It has a nice flavor though, doesn't it?
Yeah. Can't believe you got hiccups.
That takes around here, folks.
She bites it. She doesn't.
Oh, okay. You're going spider here? Huh? Yeah.
It doesn't burn as much as last time. Mommy, put her on her belly.
Put on our belly.
Yeah, on the bed.
On the bed.
Yeah, put the soother on though.
I mean, I think I did very good for this challenge. You're just jealous.
Okay, I drank just as much as you did.
Muy caliente.
Wait. Whatever.
Ay, caramba.
I feel like I want to slip it in my mouth. It's that hot. Well, I can handle it. Last time I was like physically crying.
Because you put so much water in it.
Those are my toes. Okay, yeah. I didn't even introduce you. Come over here. Who did? This it. Come now.
I lost my elbow off the thing.
Okay, fine, whatever. Sorry. This is my friend, Karina. The one chewing up in my ear, and all I smell is cucumbers. Anyway.
Cucumba. 95% water. Shout out for Karina.
I like that part. Anyways, yeah, we did challenge. I hiccuped like crazy. My hiccups are like
Clearly.
epic.
My baby cried. So if you guys hear crying in the background, it's because she loves me and she saw me suffering. But barely. Because girl put too much water in the thing.
She just wanted her mother. My lips are so red though. They're on fire.
Kylie Jenner lips.
Okay, I'm done. Bye bye guys. Say bye. Make sure you like, subscribe, share, all that good
I'll find
shit
you.
stuff.